Hi, this video is to answer another Reddit question. Hi guys, I have data on job titles for my organization that I would like to put in a scatter plot, but I'm having difficulties making it look like I want it to. What I have, okay, this is a table. I would like the average days to fill on one axis and the number of positions on the other. Doesn't matter to me which goes where, and the job title to be the color. Right? So to do a scatter plot, right? Go highlight everything, right? And then insert, then choose scatter, right? Scatter plot, right? This is your scatter plot, right? So you want the job titles as color, right? So what you do is actually click on this switch row to column, right? And then you have your job as color, right? I hope this answer your question. Please consider subscribing and like this video if this answer your question. Thank you so much.